Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning about the wrap tool. So let's start a new part file and click OK. On the top plane, let's draw a sketch and let's add a circle. Add a dimension of 1 and extrude the circle 0.5. So let's extrude it by the mid plane 0.5 and click OK. So to create your wrap tool, select the top face, sketch, and let's add a letter or a text. So in your text over here, let's type in ABC, or you can type your name, anything. Accept it, and I'm just going to move this somewhere in the center, something like that. We're not going to worry about constraining it. This is just an example just to show you how to use the wrap tool. So we'll exit. So while your sketch is selected, come back to the feature tab and you can select the wrap tool. Make sure, I always like to select my sketch, so select your sketch and now select the wrap tool. So source sketch, it has put your sketch in there. So you have 3 different wrap options. You have emboss. For this example, let's type in a dimension of a thickness of 0.01. So the first option is an emboss. So an emboss is going to extrude this text out. Over the selected face, we select 0.01. So the face, we are going to select this face and click OK. So you can see the emboss. If I edit that wrap tool and I select the boss 0.01 and click OK, it is going to cut it 0.01 in. So let's do the same thing. You can also do the same thing for a circular edge. So let's select the right plane and sketch, normal tool. So let's type in text and let's type in, I'm going to type in ABC as well. And accept that. I'm just going to move it in the center. Again, exit my sketch. My sketch is still selected. Now I'm going to select the wrap tool. Now select that sketch 3 as my source sketch. In this option, I'm going to select scribe. And on which face, I'm going to select this face. And click OK. So what a scribe is it just scribes it on the part. So it doesn't have a thickness. So that is what a scribe is. And that is how you use the wrap tool. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.